In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive an account in Xero. Archiving accounts is really helpful when you want to clean up your chart of accounts without permanently deleting anything. It keeps your records intact for reporting and history, but removes accounts you no longer use from your day-to-day selections. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, and I'll also give you a few tips to help you avoid common mistakes. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero organization and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look towards the top of the screen for the main menu. Find the option labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on Accounting. This is where Xero keeps most of the tools related to your financial data. Once the accounting menu is open, you'll see several options. From this list, choose Chart of Accounts. Click on Chart of Accounts to open the full list of all the accounts that have been set up in your organization. This includes income accounts, expense accounts, assets, liabilities, and equity. When the Chart of Accounts page loads, take a moment to find the specific account you want to archive. You can scroll through the list or use any filters or search tools available on the page to narrow it down. It's a good idea to double check that you've selected the correct account, especially if you have similar names or numbers in your chart. Remember, archiving will remove it from normal use, so you want to be sure it's no longer needed for future transactions. Once you've identified the account you want to archive, click on that account to select it. This usually opens a detailed view or highlights the account row, depending on your Xero layout. Review the account details one more time, including its name and type, to confirm you're working on the right one. Now that your account is selected, look for the option labeled Archive. This might appear as a button or a link on the account line or in the account details view. Go ahead and click on Archive. Xero may ask you to confirm this action, especially if the account has been used in previous transactions. Confirm that you do want to archive the account. After you've done this, the account will be archived. It won't be available for new transactions, but its historical data will still be kept for reporting and audit purposes. That's all you need to do to archive an account in Xero.